So I just wanted to point out a confusion that many of you will have now, and this is around reassigning of variables in Golang. So you know that this is how you can define a variable in Golang, right? 99. And then later on into the code, you can just go and say I is equal to 23. And then let's see what happens here. And if I try to print the value of I, you'll see 23. And because at the time of declaring the variable or defining the variable in the beginning of the code, I was given a value of 99, and then later on it was given a value of 23. Now this 23 has overwritten 99 for the value of I, and later on, much later on into the code, you can always, even if you say like this, I is equal to 45, then the latest value of I, which is 45, will be retained as the value of I, right? But the confusion here is that if you try to say like this, right, I and these double dots or the dot notation and is equal to 45, and if you try to run the code right now, it won't allow you to do that, because this is the short declarator, right? This is the type inference, and this is also the declaration and defining at the same time. So what Golang is saying, that you have already declared the variable, you already defined it, you can't do that again, right? So that's why, that's the confusion I want to point out, that this might lead to errors, and since when you're starting out with Golang, this can throw you off sometimes. So just want to point that out.